Let me show you how we can use if function to get a result in one cell based on the value in another cell. So here I am in APU numbers for Mac. As you can see, we got student name, score, and then result, pass or fail. And this result is based on if formula checking the score. If you take a closer look here at the bottom of my screen, you will see the formula itself. If score for Alice is higher or equal 50, that's pass. Otherwise, that's fail. So let's write down this formula for Mark and Tom here at the end of the list. You can click Insert, New Formula, and you can simply search for if here on the list. You can use the search bar or just click on if you can see it, and insert the function. They will give you all of the necessary ingredients now. If expression, in our case, we are checking that the score is higher than a certain value. So I click on this expression, then I click on the score for Mark, and this score needs to be higher or equal. Then 50. What happens if it's true? In that case, we will see the text pass. What happens if it's fail? In that case, we will see the text fail. I click OK, and seems like Mark failed this subject. Do I need to type it all the way here from scratch for Tom? No, when you got already formula here, you can just hover your mouse to see this yellow circle. Can you see it? Click and drag from the yellow circle down to copy the formula for the next row. And Tom with 100 points pass. Alright, so that's how easy it is to create if formula that will give you different result based on the if check. If can be true or false, depends on our condition. In my case, the condition is that the score needs to be higher or equal 50. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.